While researchers of the Indian Institute of Science continued their protest in solidarity with researchers protesting in the national capital seeking a stipend hike, the agitation which was held in the campus of the IISc in Sadashiv Nagar is intensifying as each passing day. Take a look to find out more.
The researchers have been protesting across the country for a hike in stipend. Around 5,000 researchers gathered in the campus of the Indian Institute of Science, and they have continued their agitation in support of other researchers protesting in New Delhi in front of Human Resources Development Department. The researchers are seen holding placards and raising slogans.
Government know that the brain drain is because of less amount of stipend they are giving to PhD students. That's why they have introduced PMRF fellowship to stop the brain drain. So our demand is that in the same lab, some student is getting 80,000, 70,000, and we are getting 28,000. It is a very big disparity because everybody is contributing to the country, and this huge difference in the fellowship is not good. So our demand is that we should also get a proper amount of fellowship because everybody is working very hard in the lab for the country.
Human chain was also formed by the researchers outside the institute. That was not all. The protesters also performed a street play portraying the situation of science and research in the country.
अरे देख ये लोग ये देख ये पोस्टर लेके खड़े हैं पक्का प्रोटेस्ट चल रहा है यहाँ पे The theme of the play is about the misunderstanding about the public and the researchers, the lag between them, like what people actually think about research and what is the situation of research and science in India as a whole.
The placards were all creative and handwritten by the researchers.
We also had protests. So firstly, we gathered at 10 o'clock and we had poster making campaign where our students made posters. After that, we had street play from our research fellows, and now we are gathering around the periphery of the campus. So there are around 500 protestants who are gathering from the main gate of IISc to the Sadashiv Nagar police station and curling around to the CIDR gate.
Research in science is important for the development of technology. The agitation is only intensifying by the passing day. Protesters urge that the central government considers their demand at the earliest. Yuga Devaya for News 9 Bengaluru.